Hello friends, this video is on a very easy and a scoring topic, that is directions. Once you're good with your concepts in this topic, you can score really easy in the exams. So let's go and get started. Let's take a globe and try to understand the directions better. Can you see that center point of the globe? If we extend it upwards, it goes towards the North Pole. So that direction is called north. If you take it downwards, it will go towards the South Pole. That direction is called south. If we take it to the right, it will go towards Japan. That direction is east, because Japan is a land of the rising sun, so that is east. And if you take it towards the left, it will go towards the United States of America, and that is west. Now, can you see that area between north and east? That zone is called the northeast. And that area between south and east is called southeast. Similarly, the area between south and west is the southwest, and north and west is northwest. Concept number 2, rotation. Here we're going to talk about two terminologies, clockwise and anti-clockwise. So what is clockwise? The direction in which the hands of a clock move is clockwise, and the direction opposite to it is anti-clockwise. And next, let's try to get the order of directions right. So let's start with north. If you go clockwise, the next would be east, then it will be south, and then it will be west. So remember this order: north, east, south and west. So to memorize this, we've got a wonderful trick for you. Look what that naughty elephant is doing. This naughty elephant spills water. Now look at the first alphabet of each word. N for north, E for east, S for south, and W for west. I think that helps. And now let's try to get a very important concept in place, the concept of turning. So always remember that a right turn is always in the clockwise direction. So whenever you want to turn right, you have to turn clockwise. And the opposite, a left turn, is always in the anti-clockwise direction. So to get this concept into your head, I've got a memory trick for you. You know, my favorite footballer is Ronaldo, and Ronaldo is known for his world records. So Ronaldo creates world records. Look at this sentence. Take the first alphabet of each of the words, R, C and W. So R for right and C and W for clockwise. So right is always clockwise. And now let's try to understand the concept of turning better through this example. Say Andy is driving towards east and he takes a right turn. So we know that right is always clockwise. So Andy would turn something like this, and then he would be driving towards south. And say again he takes a right turn. So right is clockwise. So after the turn, he would be driving towards west. And now if he takes a left turn, left is anti-clockwise. He will be driving towards south. I think that helps you with turning. And now let's go to the last concept of this video, that is the Pythagoras Theorem. Can you see the triangle there? It's called a right angle triangle, and that L-shaped angle there is 90 degrees. Now, the side opposite to this 90-degree angle is the longest side, and that side is called the hypotenuse. And the other two sides you see there are the legs of this right angle triangle. Now, the Pythagoras theorem states that the square of the hypotenuse is always equal to the sum of the squares of the other two legs. That is, in this triangle, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Quite easily done.